Today we are going to create a glamorous wave for your clip-in hair extensions, perfect for a Valentine's date night look. We are using the 20-inch Superior set in shade I Think We're Alone Now, which is a deep copper shade with a mixture of warm browns and chestnut tones, suitable for a natural redhead. In the Superior set, you will get 220 grams of hair, broken down into a 4-clip volumizing weft, 2 3-clip wefts, 5 2-clip wefts, and 2 singular clip wefts. Begin by sectioning off the first bottom layer of your hair. Take a tail comb and draw a line across your scalp to section. It is important to be as neat as possible when applying your extensions. Not only will it look a lot more discreet and tidy, but it will also feel more comfortable on your head. We are going to begin by applying a 2-clip weft to the bottom of the head and work our way to the crown. In order for the hair to sit comfortably, very gently backcomb the roots using a natural bristle brush and spray a light mist of hairspray for some added texture. This will avoid the clip slipping on the hair or feeling too heavy. For your second row, apply your 3-clip weft and begin by sectioning your next layer. Depending on the thickness of your natural hair, each layer should be evenly spread out at around 1 to 2 centimeters apart. As you can see, we are not over backcombing the hair so that it mats or damages the roots, it's just a gentle amount. And for your third row, we will take the final 3-clip weft. We will now take the layer for your 4-clip volumizing weft, which will be your thickest row. This layer should start from around the top of your ear. As you can see, we are gently brushing the hair as we are applying to check the blend and to keep the hair neat with minimal snagging. We are then going to continue by applying the 2-clip side pieces. Take the hair in a diagonal parting from the top of the eyebrow and meet at the crown of the head, repeating on the opposite side. Depending on the thickness at the front of your hair, you can then choose to apply the additional 2 clips and singular clip wefts above. It's now time to style. Gently section the first layer of hair where you've clipped your wefts. For this look today, we are going to be using the GHD Soft Curl Tong, which is a 32mm barrel, and we will use it by twist wrapping the hair around the styler. By twist wrapping the hair, you pinch the hair between your fingers as you curl around the barrel, twisting as you go. This will let your curls form a tighter wave and blend into each other more precisely. Hold each curl around the barrel for around 6 seconds. As you release the hair from the barrel, make sure you are dropping the curl into the palm of your hand to cool down. We are then taking our crocodile clips and clipping the curls into place for extra hold. As you can see, we are alternating the direction of the tong for each side of the head. This will ensure that your curls are falling in the right direction once they are brushed out at the end. If you want the curls to fall away from each side of your face, point the end of the barrel towards each side of the head and mirror in the direction for the other side. After you have curled the final layer of extensions, we are then going to dress out the curls and leave the crown of your natural hair until last. This will make sure it blends with the layer of extensions underneath. With the top section of your natural hair, we're going to roll the hair through the curling barrel to ensure that it sits directly on top of the curls underneath to give it a more natural finish. To dress out this look, we are taking a wide tooth anti-static comb and our natural bristle brush to brush through the waves. You can then use a light hairspray or shine spray to finish this look if you choose to.
It's like literally the same colour. It feels so lightweight as well and like sturdy in the back of my head. Considering there's like 7 or 8 clips in, really nice, so bouncy, so full. And yeah, I just can't get over the colour. I'm so pleased. It's really rich and like vibrant, but like still like lived in. So it doesn't just like, oh, it's extensions or it's red or, do you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm really happy with that.